I feel like we can have our water anytime without having to worry about it. Well, we used to boil it before, and we found that with all the rats and the possums up there, having them goes up top, and finding one in our tank was enough. Cool. I had to get Rochester pull the whole tank down and sterilise it. It was bad. It was bad. So from there on, I've been buying water. I just feel so happy. Hey, Dad, what about you? Yeah. This is you. We thank you, Te Aupōuri. I thank you for fighting for me because I wasn't going to get a tank when my spouting needed doing. So he put that forward for me. So thank you. You make me cry now. But thank you very much, Te Aupōuri. Keep on doing the good work.